Today, we're unboxing the CINQ Rolling Knife Sharpener. Let's unveil the components that make this sharpener a must-have for every kitchen. First up, the Pentagon roller, compact with a good weight to it. Here's the Pentagon magnetic holder that holds your knives securely in place. There are 5 different angles allowing you to sharpen any edge. The angle finder is a tool to quickly determine your knife's edge. In the box, you'll find 4 discs, 400 grit to begin recovering your dullest knives, 1000 grit for sharpening after regular use, 2000 grit for finishing your knife's edge, and a helix honing disc for removing any burrs. And there you have it. Everything you need for precision sharpening in one box. The CINQ Rolling Knife Sharpener, a perfect edge every time.